Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talk and Do Physics. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into how gas cylinder work. You always complain that my gas is not good, my gas is damaged. We are going to discuss that. So as we are discussing, make sure you click subscribe and share. This will help me to do more exciting video. First and foremost, we have two types of gases. Two types of cooking gas. One is propane gas, two is methane gas. Propane gas is C3H8. That is propane gas. While methane gas is CH4. Now this gas, if you ask which one is the best gas for cooking, the best gas for cooking is propane gas. Why is it propane gas the best gas for cooking? Because it has the highest average molecules. The speed, the velocity of that gas is, it has a high velocity. Now, why in methane gas has a low average velocity. Why does it has a low average velocity? Because it moves faster when diffused into the air. So if you go to a gas station now and you feel a methane gas and you don't know, when you take it home, it will be easily diffused because of its average velocity. When you go to a gas station, make sure that you buy a propane gas. Now, when you buy a propane gas, what happens? And you take it home. What destroys the cylinder of a gas? What destroys the cylinder integrity of a gas when you keep the cylinder outside? And the heat of the sun, peradventure you keep directly to the sun, and there is a heat that is generated in the cylinder. What happened? There is a propane gas will be at the base of the gas cylinder. When it is at the base of the gas cylinder, what happens next? The pressure would force the gas closer to the valve. When it comes closer to the valve, what happens to the valve? The valve will be leaked and gas will be leaked. And you now say to the person who fill your gas that the person did not fill the gas very well. No, it's because of how you preserve your gas cylinder. So as you are watching me, for more information, click and share at the bottom below. This will help me to do more exciting video.